The back pressure valve is designed to be a one-way pressure barrier which controls well pressure during a long-term shut-in. It gives the ability for removal or installation of drilling and completion equipment and provides security during production tree repair. The two-way check valve is a tool designed for testing equipment from above while maintaining a pressure barrier from below. This tool should only be used for a short-term basis during tree assembly or BOP testing. A seal is created when the outer seal ring comes in contact with the top thread of the back pressure valve prep. The torque required to obtain a seal is in direct relation to the makeup torque of the running tool to the valve. For example, if more torque is required to achieve a seal on larger valves, then more torque is put on the tool makeup to achieve it. During installation, a sharp release of torque will indicate the valve is set and the running tool is being released. In most cases, approximately 6 additional turns will disengage the tool completely. The back pressure valve is a one-way check valve with a spring-loaded poppet containing a molded seal. The poppet seal is a pressure-assisted seal. In low-pressure situations, the spring force ensures the initial seal. As pressure increases, additional pressure forces are applied to the poppet, ensuring a reliable seal. In the event of a pressure buildup underneath the valve during any of these operations, the back pressure valve provides the ability to bleed off or equalize trapped pressure. It also provides the ability to pump through the valve to kill the well if the pressure is too great or won't bleed down. Both valves have obvious physical differences, so telling them apart shouldn't be a problem. Internally, the two-way check valve has a 7/8 inch diameter floating poppet with seals on both ends. The stroke of the poppet is approximately 1 inch to accommodate sealing. The poppet has a minimal radial clearance of only 1/16 of an inch and doesn't give the ability to bleed off as much pressure as the back pressure valve. As a result, this poppet design eliminates the ability to kill a well under pressure. Installation of BOPs can sometimes produce trash, such as mud or cuttings that are trapped in the bore and ram cavities. This trash can fall onto hangers landed in the wellhead. The trash can sometimes accumulate in the running threads of the valve, preventing the proper amount of turns required to safely check for pressure below. If a back pressure valve has been installed, fluid can be pumped down the BOP and through the 1-inch bore of the valve to flush and clean the running threads. If a two-way check valve is in place during this process, there is no way to flush out the threads to retrieve the valve safely. Running the Type H back pressure valve or two-way check valve can be one of the most dangerous jobs a service person will do in this industry. Staying alert, marking the installation rods, and paying close attention to the location of the marks along with counting the turns will minimize the risk. Just remember, take nothing for granted, and complacency can kill. Be smart and be safe.